The best laid plans of mice and GMs often go awry, and for the Montreal Canadiens, the off-season blueprint just took a significant hit. Just as Kent Hughes was meticulously charting a course to fortify our young blue line, a crucial piece of the puzzle has been snatched away, leaving a gaping hole in our defensive strategy. This isn't just a setback. It's a stark reminder of the cutthroat nature of the NHL, where even the most carefully laid plans can unravel in an instant. We've been talking about the need for a veteran, physical presence on our defense, a rugged, right-shot defenseman who could insulate our burgeoning prospects and provide that much-needed stability. The rumors were swirling, the whispers growing louder, heavily linking the Canadiens to a shutdown blue liner who was poised to command immense interest on the open market. We envisioned him stepping onto Bell Center ice, bringing a snarl and a steady hand to our backhand. But those plans, those hopes, have officially been thwarted. The Edmonton Oilers, our Western Conference counterparts, have officially taken our top defensive target off the board. In a move that sends a clear message of their championship aspirations, they've locked down 33-year-old defenseman Conor Murphy with a lucrative 5-year, $20.5 million contract extension, securing his services at a $4.1 million average annual value through 2031. Just like that, a prime target, a player who perfectly fit our needs, is gone. This stings Habs fans. It stings deeply. The front office reportedly viewed Murphy's right-handed shot and his physical edge as the ideal complement to our rising defensive prospects. Imagine him mentoring our young guns, providing a reliable presence in our own zone, and adding that much-needed bite to our defensive core. He was a perfect fit, a veteran who could play tough minutes, block shots, and clear the net, allowing our offensive defensemen to flourish. Murphy, originally acquired by Edmonton from the Chicago Blackhawks before the 2026 trade deadline, made an immediate impact in Alberta. He provided a steadying presence on a blue line that, much like ours, desperately needed defensive structure. His decision to forego the lucrative waters of free agency, where desperate teams could have driven up his price even further, speaks volumes. He chose stability, a winning environment, and a place where he and his family felt welcomed. His words echo with conviction. Being a part of Edmonton, my family and myself felt super welcomed and really felt like we hit it off with the team, with the families, the wives, and the kids. We wanted something that where we are, we're going to be happy and comfortable with. This isn't just about money for Murphy. It's about finding a home, a place where he can contribute to a team with legitimate championship aspirations. He spoke of the hockey environment and high-end talent, and the ceiling of what the team is capable of, and how it revitalized a lot of motivation and passion. This is the kind of player, the kind of commitment, that we desperately need on our own blue line. And now he's firmly entrenched with a rival. The timing couldn't be worse for the Canadiens. With free agency just around the corner, the market for veteran, physical defensemen is already thin. Losing out on Murphy means Kent Hughes must now pivot, reassess, and scramble to find an alternative. The options become scarcer, and the prices for those remaining will undoubtedly skyrocket. This is a harsh reality of the NHL offseason, where every decision, every signing has a ripple effect across the league. Murphy's physical style provides the Oilers with elite net front defense and shot blocking capabilities, crucial attributes for any team with championship aspirations. He's joining a dressing room already anchored by superstars Connor McDavid and Leon Draisaitl, and his focus is on integrating into that existing leadership core. He's not coming in to be the savior. He's coming in to be a crucial piece of an already formidable puzzle. For the Canadiens, this setback highlights the challenges of building a contender in a highly competitive league. We have a wealth of young talent, promising prospects who are on the cusp of making an impact, but they need time, they need insulation, and they need veteran leadership to guide them. Murphy was supposed to be that guiding hand, that steadying force. Now, Kent Hughes is back to the drawing board, forced to explore other avenues, potentially a higher cost or with a less ideal fit. This isn't to say that the Canadiens' offseason is doomed. Far from it. But it does mean that the path forward just became significantly more complicated. The blueprint has been smudged, and now our GM must demonstrate his adaptability, his creativity, and his ability to find solutions under pressure. The free agency market is a shark tank, and without a clear top target, navigating those waters becomes even more perilous. So, Habs Nation, How we react to this news. Is this a devastating blow that will set back our defensive development? Or is it merely a bump in the road? An opportunity for Kent Hughes to unearth another hidden gem, another veteran who can fill that crucial role? What does this mean for our strategy heading into free agency? Do we now have to overpay for a lesser option, or do we shift our focus entirely? This is the kind of challenge that defines a franchise. It tests our resolve, our patience, and our belief in the process. The pursuit of a Stanley Cup is never easy, and setbacks are an inevitable part of the journey. But how we respond to these setbacks, how our management adapts, will ultimately determine our success. Let your voices be heard in the comments below. What are your thoughts on losing out on Conor Murphy? Who should Kent Hughes target now to solidify our blue line? This is our team, our passion, and your insights are invaluable. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned, because the NHL offseason is a relentless drama, and the Montreal Canadiens are always at the heart of it. We are in this together, through thick and thin, through every triumph and every challenge, because we are the Canadiens, and our pursuit of glory is unwavering. Go Habs, go!